Files scattered across your departments? AI File Pro automatically organizes them all. Drowning in scattered documents? AI File Pro reads and understands your files, then automatically organizes them into a clear, self-maintaining folder structure. Ask AI to find answers instantly, then apply a template to organize your files. AI File Pro classifies documents, generates a logical folder structure, and keeps everything organized automatically. Choose your organization method by department, date, project, status, client, case, or location, and watch AI File Pro instantly reorganize your files into the perfect folder structure. Watch as AI File Pro transforms chaos into clarity. 79 scattered files automatically organized into 7 meaningful categories, ready to save anywhere, your cloud, network, or local drive. Transform your chaotic files into organized folders. Start today.